Imagine a city where every year is our year. The only place you can get away with saying, "How's yous doing?" And in the same breath saying, "There's always next year." A city where there's a Wawa on every corner. A city where you can order a sandwich with just 2 words, whiz, with. You can hear the echoes of, "Yo, Adrian!" Welcome to Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love. What's up, guys? We just met some of Philly's finest trainers.
Hey.
Go ahead, throw out your Instas, guys.
What's up, guys? I'm Claude Chalk, Chalktonomous on Instagram. That's Chalktonomous, CHALKTONOMOUS. This is my guy right here.
Hello, world. It's Lord Coachman. You can catch me on Instagram, Lord.Coachman, COACHMAN, Lord.Coachman.
Yeah.
And Damon Wayans, if you need a stunt man, this guy is legitimately your Doppler
Hit me
ganger,
up,
bro.
Damon.
Hit him up.
Yeah.
Later, fellas.
All right, guys.